Welcome to Last Week in a Byte on Delta Lake for the latest Delta Lake news and events, a week late. Let's start off with the latest releases, which includes Delta Sharing 0.6.0, which now supports using Delta Sharing Table as a source in structured streaming. Delta Connector 0.6.0, which includes column mapping support in the Delta and Power BI connector, and adds support for the Flink Delta connector on Apache Flink 1.15.3. Also, don't forget Delta Spark 2.2, which supports aggregate Apache Spark 3.3 with performance features like limit and aggregate pushdowns into Delta scans. We had two great D3 L2 vidcast podcast sessions where we were discussing data integration with Airbyte and Delta Lake with Simon Spatty from Airbyte. And also great conversation discussing the genesis of Delta Rust with QP How. Did you know that Delta Rust was QP's first Rust code in production? Pretty cool, eh? As the director of platform engineering, our Tyler Croy headlines this great Delta Lake story at Scribd. Tyler's an amazing cyclist, but just as importantly, helped create Delta Rust and is a Delta Lake maintainer. There was a great blog on Delta.io last week on data sharing across government agencies using Delta Sharing. A pretty cool read. In the Linux Foundation's 2022 annual report, there was a call out to Delta Lake. Check out page 130. There's also a great quote from Florian here about contributing to open source is a key to learning how to solve problems within worldwide benevolent communities of people. Thanks, Florian. What a great quote. But last, but certainly not least, we're happy to announce the two Delta Lake maintainers, Will Jones and Robert Pack. Congratulations. I hope you enjoyed this week's Last Week in a Byte. Talk to you soon.